hard to. There's a very.
Oh, there we go. Want me to hold it?
I think there's a reason.
Our first casualty. Well, this is mile 1 of our trip to Reed City. We're heading down to Paris, maybe slightly below Paris. I don't know if you can see everybody in the background. There's 10 of us. It's a nice day. It's about 61 degrees, and we're on the Pierre Marquette Trail going south. Nice day to be out. Go ahead, pass me up.
And actually, we were going to try to do it, but we didn't know where we were going to put small groups and plug in.
Okay, guys, you're on camera.
All right, only good words. Okay, keep it clean.
Boy, that Cliff is a great guy.
He's fantastic.
Oh, man. He rides a bike, he videos, and he chews gum all at the same time. What a guy.
Yeah. I love to ride.
And he opens up his cabin.
I love to ride my bike. Da, 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 da,
I ride as fast as a horse can run. See me glide past and then I am gone. It's a good thing that I have my helmet. I love to ride my bike.
There's Bob coming up the
One
rear.
day last week I met a kid down the street. We started to ride together. Now we ride every day till the sun goes away. I think we'll be friends forever.
Well, the sun is out. It's probably 65. We're doing fine. We're having a great time.
Just have my first one.
I wonder how long back.
Oh, they're so good.
I wonder what 294 is.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
Eiffel Tower, here we come.
Oh, how cute! Oh, are these the berries? Are these the berries? Can we climb this? First.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see.
We went to see the Eiffel Tower. Bob didn't want to join us, so he stayed with the bikes. And so we're afraid to go back because it might, Bob might be beat up and the bikes are gone. So we'll go back and check on Bob, but rescue him.
And everybody's there. He is.
Just kidding, Bob. He's up there somewhere.
Yeah.
Cliff the video man.
What kind of dip is that?
Homemade. Cottage cheese, fat-free cottage cheese, and Hidden Valley ranch dressing, dry. Low-fat sour cream.
Oh, lime chips, those are good.
Look at anybody that loves Cleo like he loves Cleo, you know.
Oh yeah.
I had to tell David about that, the little love fest going on between Bob and Cleo when she was gone.
Yeah, this is on camera, so don't get the wrong idea.
Yeah, if anybody asks who Cleo is, you guys know.
Oh, she was beautiful.
yourself.
Very natural.
She likes me.
Yeah. You could lick the skin right off.
Builder is Mike.
Why do you call him Builder Mike? Did he build for you guys? Or you just
He
call
built
him
our
in?
house.
I never met an Indian Mike.
No, they have.
No,
There's a lot of Indian people in there, but there's still. But this, I knew they were builders.
Sometimes they have nicknames because their actual name
They
is
want
so
an
different.
Americanized name.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah,
he's videoing.
he's videoing.
I try to make it inconspicuous. Okay.
When you go like this, it's a little bit.
Let me take it and do you. Okay.
Panning the group. Yeah.
There.
In the picture.
So now we know Cliff is actually here with us.
This weekend.
There he
Had a
is.
great time.
Now Bartons are leaving, so we're saying adios. They're going to do their Christian duty and have small group tonight.
That's right.
So. Okay.
And
Bye-bye.
actually, Christians are still staying here. Everyone's like,
Let's go.
Chilly out here. Hi, Cliffy. We love to ride our bike.
We love to ride our bike.
And my tire went thump, thump, thump down the street, street, street. It felt like a bop, bop, bop on the seat, seat, seat. My tire went thump, thump, thump down the street, street, street. I better fix that tire right away, yay, 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 yay. Better fix that tire right away, yay, 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 yay. Everybody, ride your bicycles! I pulled into a station at the bottom of the river street. A man came out and he could hear that. I told him I'd sprung a leak. And my tire went thump, thump, thump down the street, street, street. It felt like a bop, bop, bop on the seat, seat, seat. My tire went thump, thump, thump down the street, street, street. I better fix that tire right away, yay, 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 yay. Better fix that tire right away, yay, 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 yay.
Beautiful around the lake ride.
Take it away!
Mike from Troy. And, of course, the guy with the camera. We'll see you later. On our way to some
My
food.
turn. Well, I pushed out a popcorn patch to the place where the leak was sure to be. And then the
Went and got his wife.
stop! I was happy as a
I
clown.
don't know why she got in the car.
Good food, good people, and good times. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And once I find a place that I like, I always come back for more. So if you like to travel, whether near or far, and you want to find good places like me, the solution is easy to see. Just ask the local people for the best place in town to eat. And I'm sure that you'll find good food and the others go hand in hand. Good food, good people, and good times. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And once I find a place that I like, I'll always come back for more. Good food, good people, and good times. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And once I find a place that I like, you bet I'll always come back for more.